Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a brownie in a mug. It's a really quick and easy recipe, so anyone can make it. So first you're going to need a mug. I'm using my little piggy mug. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is put some coconut oil inside your mug so that the brownie doesn't get stuck to the mug. Or if you don't have coconut oil, you could just use vegetable oil or butter. So over here I have some extra virgin coconut oil. Right, after putting the coconut oil, you're going to add 1.5 tablespoons of whole wheat flour. 1 tablespoon and another half tablespoon. So after adding the whole wheat flour, you're going to add 1.5 tablespoons of cocoa powder. And if you don't like it too chocolatey, I think 1 spoon is enough, so I'm just going to add 1. Then next you're going to add a pinch of baking powder. Pinch. Instead of using sugar, right now I'm going to be using agave syrup. So this is a natural sweetener. If you don't have it, you could use sugar or even honey. And for this you need 2 teaspoons. Okay. After squeezing it in, you're going to use 1/8 a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Alright, so I'm just going to eye it here and just put a tiny bit in. Alright, that's enough. Okay, so this is an eggless recipe, just so you know. And I'm going to be adding some Greek yogurt. I'm using the Farmers Union brand, just some Greek yogurt. And you're going to add 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. So 1 and 2. Just mix it all up. Alright, it's gonna start clumping together. So what you're gonna have to do is add about 1 or 2 tablespoons of water. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm gonna add a little bit of water and stir again. Smells so good already. So just stir until everything is mixed up. Inside. Okay. And then you're just gonna pop it into the microwave for first you're gonna do 1 minute. And you're gonna look at the consistency. If you like it gooey or not, you could just do it a bit longer. So now it's going in the microwave. It actually looks like it's already cooked, so you can have a look at it inside. And now let's taste. Okay, so what I advise you to do is wait about 3 minutes because you don't want to be burning your tongue. Okay, so now I've left the brownie to cool down for a while, and now let's dig into it. It smells so good. Okay, a tiny bit. Oh yeah, it tastes good. Alright then, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye!